Chinte!
What's up guys, my name is Jason and welcome to Ultimate Karate. In today's lesson, we're learning Kata Chinte, temple hands. So if you guys are ready, let's get right into it. Right, Kata Chinte, take your bow, Yoi, Yoi position, feet are together. Left hand is by your solar plexus, okay? The hammer fist part touching. Okay, right hand over the top like so. So you bow and right here. Okay, first move, Kata Chinte. You're gonna do a circular hammer fist to your right side. I bring it back to the center and I look back in the middle at the same time. From here, I take my left hand, go around, another hammer fist to my left. Now from this position, I'm gonna step forward to the middle with my left leg into Kibadachi, double open hand block. From this position, I'm going to shift into Furodachi with Kate Shuto, vertical knife hand block. Now from here, the hand that is on my hip, I'm going to vertical strike, vertical punch, and meet my right hand. So I'm shifting from Furodachi to Zenkutsudachi. Okay, repeat. Furodachi, Kate Shuto. Okay, repeat again. Now, on this time, instead of going vertical punch, I'm gonna go rising elbow, meet my hand, and kiai. So if I'm here, it's hai, and then turn around, shutoke. So after the first shutoke, you do one more. Now from this position, with your back leg, you're gonna kick and land into kosaoke, cross block. Okay, maigere kiage, and kosaoke. Okay, cross block. With my right hand, I'm gonna do a circular low block. It's like scooping. Okay, bring my feet together and use your hips to lock it in. Okay, stand straight up. From this position, I'm gonna go a sweeping circular block to my right. Okay, shifting rather into Kibadachi. Okay, I'm gonna go to the other side. So from here, my left hand rotates and shifts. From this position, I'm going to shift one more time to my left in Kakiwake Oke. Okay, framing position in Kibadachi. From here, I'm going to come up, okay, standing on one leg, right foot goes behind my left, and when my hands come down to my sides, my middle knuckle comes out, protrudes. From this position, I'm going to step into Zenkutsudachi with my right leg, strike your opponent downward, and then with my left, repeat. Okay, they just kind of cross each other. You're not going to hit yourself right here. Okay, just crossing over. From this position, uchioke, but this time you have two fingers out. Now from here, I'm going to step forward and then rise my hands into an eye gouging position. You're going under and then poking. You're not just poking someone straight in the eye. So make sure when you do that, it goes in a rising trajectory. Repeat, uchioke, and then you're gonna rise like so. From this position, with my right hand, I'm gonna chamber to my hip and go strike for teishoke. Okay, landing in Furodachi, boom. Okay, block your opponent's strike. And then with my left, I'm gonna break my opponent's arm. So block, boom, you're striking at your opponent's elbow joint. So Ich, knee. From this position, someone's to my rear. I'm gonna bend down, strike them with my middle knuckles, and then turn around, strike again with the middle knuckles. Okay, stepping forward, a repeat of the beginning of the kata, tate shuto, in fudodachi. Vertical strike. One more. Then, you notice that I'm a little bit far off from the center point. For Kata Chinte, you do 3 hops. 1 diagonal, 2 going back. Then, bow. Alright, so now that you guys have a better understanding of the kata, I'm going to count it out for you guys step by step. So let's get right into it. Right, take your bow. Os. Announce your kata. Chinte. Ayoi. Ich. Ni. Sam. Shi. Go. Ru. Sich. Hutch. Ai. Ju. Ich. Ni. Sam. Shi. Go. Look. Sich. Hutch. Ju. Ju. Ich. Ni. Sam. Ai. Shi. Go. Go. Hitch. Hutch.